Hello and welcome. I'm Elizabeth Cadnese and I will be your professor for this course, which is English 098 Online. This course is linked with English 099 Online as well, but there are separate places on the Canvas system for both courses. So English 098 is a course that's introducing you to the fundamentals of writing and really helping you to write awesome academic essays. So that's our goal in the course, and I'm here to help you with that endeavor. The first thing that I need to tell you about is Canvas, how to navigate Canvas, and some of the tools that you have on Canvas. So on Canvas, you have the Home tab, and that's going to take you to this page right here, which gives you instructions for how to use Canvas. There's also the Modules tab, and that's going to show you basically all of the different assignments that you'll have and the sequence of assignments and readings in the course. There's the Grades tab, and that will help you to know what your grades are in the course. People allows you to contact the others in the course. And Starfish Connect is how I can refer you to other resources at the college that might be helpful to you. So if you need to speak with a counselor, I can use Starfish Connect. If you need to see someone in the Center for Male Engagement, I can also connect you through Starfish. It's also a place where I can send kudos if you're doing a really good job in the class. So again, the home page is where you're going to navigate the basic information about the course. And again, I really look forward to working with you. For many of the videos that we have, you'll have a quiz just to make sure you're not tempted to skip the videos and go right to the assignments. The videos are our main form of instruction, so you really need to watch the videos to get the sense of how to do the homework, okay? So again, I'm really looking forward to working with you and accompanying you on this journey.